what you're going to enjoy. And also in today's session, you will be learning many different skills and superpowers which we can use in day-to-day life to make our life more better. Okay, so here we are having our today's guest with us. So good morning, Preeti Sunar ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. You're clearly audible. Okay, so we can start with our today's session.
Okay. Ma'am, you want me to start?
Yes, ma'am. Is PPT visible?
Uh,
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
to me, it is not yet visible actually.
Ma'am, now it is full screen is black.
Is it visible?
No, ma'am, it is not
No, ma'am.
visible. Ma'am, you are sharing something, but it is not visible actually.
Ma'am, again reshare.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I'm doing that.
Ma'am, your voice is
Now
also
just check it out
breaking.
from your side. Yeah, as I'm a traveling, that's why it is.
No problem. No problem.
Right now, is it visible? Can you check it once again?
Yeah. Ma'am, it is not yet visible. So, my dear children, we
Ma'am,
will
still
wait for some time because maybe, ma'am is facing some network issue. Okay? Okay? So, have some
okay, ma'am.
patience. Wait for some time. Ma'am will share it soon. Are you all excited for today's session?
Yes, ma'am, much.
Okay, great.
Ma'am.
Okay, very nice, very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you all will like the session.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now it is visible. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now it is visible.
Now it is visible, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. We can understand how much pain it requires. You're traveling at the same time you're sharing. So, my dear students, we all are set for learning something magical. Okay? Do you love magic? Do you love
Yes,
magic?
ma'am.
Yes,
Wow.
ma'am.
So today I'm going to, give you some of the things, some of the tips, some of the secret magic tips which are going to make our life very happy. Okay? So let us see what are those magic tips what are those magic secrets that are going to make our life wonderful, happy. Okay? Chalo.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we will move to the second slide and with a question. The question to you all is, do you have role model in your life? Okay, so I repeat my question. क्या आपकी लाइफ में कोई रोल मॉडल है? Do you have somebody to whom you look up to? Do you have somebody who inspires you? Do you have somebody to whom you would like to imitate? कोई ऐसा है आपके घर में, आपके आसपास, आपकी स्कूल में, to whom you feel, wow, I want to be like him, I want to be like her. So if you
Ma'am,
have
ma'am,
a
also
role
father.
model, if you have a role model, you will unmute, only one child will unmute at a time, and you will tell me who is that role model. Okay? So we will start with Anurag. Anurag, unmute your device and tell us.
Ma'am, my mother and father.
Wow, great. Lot of claps to you. So many times, my dear students, it is your mother and father who are your role models, to whom you look up to. Why? Because you know why? Because they have some magical superpower which makes them live happily and successfully. Okay, now we will ask someone else also to see who is that child's role model. So somebody, two boys are sitting together, right? So they can unmute their device and tell me. Tell your name and tell who is your role model.
Ma'am,
my name is voice. Yes, tell.
Aryan. My role model is my brother.
Oh, so nice, so sweet of you. Okay, Aryan, fine. Very nice, very nice. So, my dear friends, whether it is your mother, whether it is your father, many times it is your teachers also, right? You may find some of the role models from the books, right? You may find someone, from the social media. You may find somebody from the Bollywood, Hollywood. You may find somebody from the freedom fighters, right? We all know Mahatma Gandhi ji. So Mahatma Gandhi ji also is our role model, isn't it? Okay. But do you know all these role models, though they are different in personalities, but they have one thing which is common in them. I will tell you what is that one common thing which is secret number 1 for a magical happy life. ठीक है? Hold for a moment. I will tell you after few slides. But before that, I want to know, do you all wish to become a super boy and a super girl?
Yes,
You all
ma'am.
wish to become a super boy and a super girl?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
should hear a loud yes. Yes?
Yes.
Wow, that's so exciting. So going ahead with the next slide, my dear friends, we all wish that we should have some magical power which will make us strong. But when you say your mama is your role model, when you say your papa is your role model, or your brother is your role model, or Sachin Tendulkar is your role model, or Amitabh Bachchan is your role model, do you know why they are your role models? Because they all are strong. When I say strong, I don't mean physically. Physically, they all are strong. They may or may not be strong physically, But you know what is the secret? They all are strong mentally. So how are they strong? They are strong mentally from inside. उनके अंदर कुछ पावर है जो उन्हें हमेशा स्ट्रांग बनाती है, राइट? So we
Yes,
will,
ma'am.
yes, so we will try to know what is that power that makes them your role model, that makes them a strong women and a strong man. And if you all also practice those things, you will all also become a strong boy and strong girl. So going ahead with the next slide, I will tell you what it is. So let us wait and watch what is it. Okay, you might have heard this word which is written in the next slide. You know what is it? They all have one superpower, that they can convert all impossible things into possible things. Can you read the first letter which is written? Abhijit, can you read the first word that is written in image number 1? Somebody is, something is rubbed with eraser. Can you read what it is, Abhijit? Something impossible? Can you read? No, Abhijit is reading. Abhijit is reading. Please wait. Yes, Abhijit. Come on, Abhijit, you can read. Is it impossible? Abhijit, is it impossible word?
Mitanshu, ma'am is asking you. Mitanshu, answer beta.
Mitanshu, what is written, beta? Mitanshu, you have to be loud. Okay. Mitanshu, the word is impossible. But you know what is written? Somebody has erased that word. Impossible. And they have converted into something else. So, Arna, is it you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Arna, could you please tell us that when we rub I am from impossible, what it becomes?
It becomes possible.
Wow! So always remember, your mama, papa, teachers, all the heroes that you know around you, they all have this superpower. And what is that superpower? They all have the ability to convert impossible into possible, because the word impossible also says I am possible. The word impossible says I am possible. Understood?
Yes,
Understood
ma'am.
the secret? Wow. So my dear friends, whenever someone says you can't do this, you can't do that, you cannot ride a bicycle, you cannot dance, you should always say, I can dance, I can sing, I can ride a bicycle. Why? Because there is nothing which you cannot do. You can do everything. Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Anurag, could you please tell us what is the secret that your role model has?
Ma'am, my role model has the secret of strong in mentally.
Very good.
Yes.
So the very first secret that your role model have is they are very strong from inside, right? They are
Yes.
mentally very strong. Okay. What is the second secret I told you?
Ma'am, my mother and father can do that things which is impossible, and they can.
Yes, continue.
And if I want something, they buy for me. Nothing is
Very good.
impossible.
Very good. Very good. And Arna, tell us, what is this I cannot?
It is I cannot do means I cannot do something. it is very impossible. But when we cut it, when we cut the T, it becomes I can do it.
Yes. So what have you learned from this? We all have learned that there is nothing we cannot do. We can do everything. So when you get up in the morning, do you know what you have to say to yourself? You have to say to yourself every day that I can do everything that I decide. What will you say? You will have to say it with me. Okay, after me. You can unmute. You can say after me. I can do.
I
can
do
Whatever I decide.
whatever I
Excellent, excellent. Very good, my dear friends. So if you can switch your, this camera on, I can, easily interact with you. Okay. So now we are going ahead with the next secret. Wow. We all can see lot of people here, right? Now, my dear friends, along with your parents, along with your mama, papa, brothers, sisters, your teachers, your principal madam, with everybody else, even these people are very strong mentally. And when people are very strong mentally, you know what do we call them? There is a term. We call them resilient. What do we call them?
resilient.
Say it loudly.
Resilient.
Resilient. Okay. Okay. So what are these people who are our role models? Who are resilient? Who are they? Whom you can see on the screen? Who are they?
Sachin
Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan.
And
Sachin.
so you are very smart. You all can say Sachin Tendulkar and Amitabh Bachchan. And who are the others? Who are two more? Two more. Okay, I will help. Can I help you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the third picture you see, she is famous Bharatnatyam dancer and her name is Sudha Chandran. What is her name?
Sudha Chandran.
I will tell you. Yeah, and after some time I will tell you the secret story of Sudha Chandran, why she is so inspiring to all of us. Okay. Now what the fourth picture is of Arunima Sinha. Who is she? She is Arunima Sinha.
Arunima Sinha.
Okay, very good. So my dear friends, Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan, Sudha Chandran and Arunima Sinha. All these four stars, all these four superheroes are our inspiration and role models. You know, apart from this, there are many, but we will talk only about few in today's session. Okay? Now, do you know when I say they are strong mentally, why am I saying like this?
Because they do their work intelligently.
Wow, because they are doing their work intelligently. They are very hardworking. At the same time, there are few more things. Come on, keep on telling me if you know. Otherwise, I will help you. They're intelligent, they're hardworking. You know, yes.
They are making some jokes in between play. Or
They have good sense of humor. Very good. What else? Very good.
They make our India proud. Like,
ma'am, communication.
Wow, very nice. They have very strong communication. They make our country feel proud. Arna, this is excellent answer. But there is one more thing, you know, that is the secret. I'll tell you that. They all have faced, you know, they all had bad days in their lives. We all have good days and bad days in our lives, right? So these are the people who also had bad days like us. But they had the ability to convert their bad days into good days. If I am feeling bad, I feel sad, right? But those people, even they were feeling sad, they did not lose hope. They always were positive, even about their failures. And you know what is the secret that I'm trying to tell you, that they had the ability to bounce back. They had the ability to bounce back. What is bounce back? Bounce back means you go backward in life, means आप कुछ तो भी खो देते हो लाइफ में. आपका कोई बहुत अच्छा चीज, या maybe it can be your secret, it can be somebody very close to you, it can also be you know, your body part, it can be anything, but you lose that thing, so you come backward in life. Okay, but because of your positivity, you are able to come back to the normal position and you move on. You keep on moving because you are not depressed. So even if you're depressed, you wake up your mind and you smile. Understood? So, my dear friends, by now we have said that we all have role models, right? It is our mother, it is our father, it is our grandparents. Sometimes it is many times it is our teachers. You know, it is our principal madam, principal sir. It is, you know, it can be anybody. But they all have one thing common in them. And what is that? That they all are strong. Physically, if not physically, they are mentally
And
very
mentally.
strong. And when I say they all are mentally very strong, I am saying that they have the ability to convert the I cannot into I can. They have the ability to convert impossible into
Possible.
possible. Very good. And the third thing I told you, that they have the ability to convert the sad days into happy days.
Bad
How?
days. Sorry, happy days.
Bad days into happy days. How? Because they all have the ability to
Change their bad days to good days.
but how? Because they all can bounce back. They all can bounce
Bounce
back. Okay? So coming from the problems to again restart their life. Okay. Now going ahead with the next slide. Okay, before we go to the next slide, let me tell you small things about these personalities. Sachin Tendulkar is a famous cricketer, Indian cricketer, and we call him God of Cricket. We all worship him because there is no other cricketer in the whole world like him. But do you know, he also had bad days when he was unable to play. You know, he was physically weak. He became physically weak because of the joint pains, and he also because of that he could not play properly. But he practiced for many days. He recovered his health, and he was again able to play cricket. And you all know what history he has made, right? In the world of cricket. We all know Amitabh Bachchan. But do you know that it is this Amitabh Bachchan who at the age of 60, when people get retired, at that age, he restarted his life. Do you know there was an event that he hosted, and because he hosted that event and the event was not successful, he lost all his property, all the money that he had in bank, and he became bankrupt. Now imagine somebody who had lot of money, lot of fame, and became bankrupt all of a sudden. He became so sad, but he did not lose hope. I told you he had the ability to bounce back. What he did is he restarted his life. Have you all heard? Do you all watch कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? स्वप्नाली, आप देखते हैं वो स्वप्नाली?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like कौन बनेगा करोड़पति?
Yes,
Do you like कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? The boy with the red t-shirt, looking very smart. What is your name? Yes, you. What is your name?
My name is Soham.
Soham. So Soham, do you like Amitabh Bachchan, Soham? Yes, it seems that Soham likes Amitabh Bachchan. So my dear friends, at the age of 60, Amitabh Bachchan, again restarted his life, and he joined, he started from Bollywood. He started acting in televisions and hosted shows like he was anchor in Kaun Banega Crorepati, and we all know that today he is the Badshah, he is the king, he is the superhero of Bollywood. Sudha Chandran, I will tell you little later, but yes, this Arunima Sinha, uh, the fourth image also that we all can see, my dear friend, she was a sports person, very active. Soham, listen to me very carefully. You can on your video, beta. So she was a sports person, a very strong sports person. You know, where she was playing for her team, with her team, and once upon a time she was coming back from her match to her hometown. So she was traveling in a train. We all travel in a train, right? But one day what happened is, आपको पता है एक दिन क्या हुआ अरुणिमा सिन्हा के साथ? जब वो ट्रेन में ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, she was wearing a gold chain. Okay, something like this. So she was wearing a gold chain, and they were, they were bad people in the train, and those bad people tried to snatch the chain. And while that act was going on, because she was struggling, she was a sports person, she was very strong. But then because there were a lot of people, उन्होंने क्या किया? They all pushed her from the train. And what happened because of that? She, unfortunately, she lost her leg. उनका जो पांव है वो खो बैठे. Now imagine if somebody, if some incidents happens like this, कि कोई sports person है. We all know for sports person their physique is most important. But in this case, she lost her leg. But I told you, resilient people have the ability that they have a positive hope towards life. They have the ability to bounce back. She, with an artificial leg, created history. And what is the history that she created? She is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest with an artificial leg. We cannot even, sometimes when we think, we may have goosebumps, right? But then it is she who had a strong mindset. That is why I told you, we may not be physically strong, but we need to be mentally strong. Understood? The stories behind this great person and the secrets of these great personalities. Arunima Sinha, Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan, Sudha Chandran, I will tell you after some time. So let us now go to the next slide and see what is the next surprise in the next slide. Oh, so my dear friends, we will now watch a video. I am sure you will be able to relate with that video. And this video is with respect to some girls and boys just like you who are practicing their skating skill. Now what happens when we are skating? जब हम skating करते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है कई बार?
Ma'am, we slip.
We slip down, right?
I also do skating.
But do you remember your initial days? Very good. But do you remember your initial days when you just started skating? What used to happen?
Ma'am, I fall. I fell down. I need to make a balance.
You had to make a balance, but initially you were not able to balance, right? So let us observe the similar thing that happened with you. Let us see whether the same thing happened with these kids also. Let us observe. Come on, we can see the video now. It is visible. We can start the video. Observe it carefully. Okay, observe it carefully. Observe it carefully. Yes. Observe it carefully. See, the trainer is guiding, but still what happens? Oh, what happened? Just like you. Observe, continuously observe. Again, something is going to happen. Oh, I think you must have observed. You must have observed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good. Yes, ma'am. So, my dear friends, coming back to the PPT after the video, you must have observed कि आपके भी initial days में आप भी skating करते होंगे. Whether it is skating, swimming, running, horse riding, any skill. जब भी हम कोई skill शुरुआत में करते हैं, कोई भी चीज, even if it is singing, आपको मुश्किलें आती है, बट आपको हार नहीं माननी है. Because you could practice initially, you practice. Today you can, today you can perform. But आप जब सीख रहे थे, आप कई बार गिरे, और जब आप गिरे, आपने गिरने के बाद में होप नहीं छोड़ा. You kept on practicing. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my dear friends, always remember, whatever actions you are doing, whatever words you are saying, means never ever say impossible, because the word impossible also says I am possible. Never ever say I cannot do. Always say I can do, because these are the words that are going to make you strong. These are the words that are going to make you also role model of someone in future. ठीक है, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now I am going to take you to some more secrets which were kept in a treasure box. We are going to open that treasure box and we are going to see what is there.
Ma'am, it
Means
would be
slide number 7. Yes, beta. I know you all are excited. Oh, wow. So these are the secrets of your role model. What is it? That we should always be happy. What are we going to do now is, we are going to sit straight and we are going to smile. That's the only thing we are going to do. Come on. All of us smile. Show me your lovely smile. See how I smile. Come on. Your teeth are not visible. See how Akshay Kumar smiles here. Yes. Wow. You all are looking so beautiful. Swapnali, show me your teeth. Beautiful teeth. So when we smile, even, we feel excited. We feel energetic. We feel positive. How do you feel now? Harshita, how do you feel?
Energetic.
We all feel happy. How do you feel, beta?
Happy.
Wow. So we all feel
Ma'am, we also
happy.
feel like we don't have anything which we can't do. We can do it.
Wow, very good. So we never feel like we cannot do when we are smiling. So remember, every morning when you get up, when you look yourself in the mirror, you have to tell to yourself, I can do everything what I decide. And while you say this, you have to smile, because smile is the solution to all the problems. Smile can help you to connect with others. ठीक है? Chalo, let us go ahead with the next secret. So we are moving from one secret to another, and you have to practice all these secrets. ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ आपने आज मेरा सुन लिया और अगले दिन practice नहीं किया. You have to practice these secrets at least for 21 days. When you practice these secrets for 21 days, they will become your habit. And once it becomes your habit, you all will become just like your role models. Okay, at least the journey will start. Next secret is never give up. हमें कभी भी ये नहीं सोचना है that we can't do this, but rather we should always think, if I have decided, I will do this. Okay, let me share with you a video that will show you story of a girl who, when she was small, she could not dance. So everybody used to make fun of her. सब उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे. क्या कभी आपका किसी ने मजाक उड़ाया?
यस मैम, मेरा रोज उड़ते रहता है कभी कभार.
हाँ, तो तब आपको बुरा लगता है? जब आपका मजाक उड़ता है तो आपको बुरा लगता है?
मैम थोड़ा सा लगता है.
थोड़ा सा लगता है. So just like you, even that small little girl felt, little bad when people used to make fun of her. But always remember, whenever somebody is making fun of you, you should take it positively. That small little girl took it positively, and that is the reason why she was able to dance on an international platform. And not only that, she also won. Do you want to see that video? Okay, we will see that video. Ma'am, just ensure that the sound is coming, because in the first video, audio was not there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, audio is not there. आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, observe carefully. See this, the grandma has enrolled her for a dance class. She cannot dance initially, but then she is practicing. I told you, whoever is resilient, this girl is resilient. So she's very strong mentally. She's observing everybody. She's practicing. See, everybody has left the dance class, but she is still practicing, because every resilient person, works hard. She kept on practicing. Now see, after a few years, it was because of her dedication, because of her hard work, her instructor observed her, and then she said, you can go for a international competition. Now here we can see that the grandma has made a very beautiful dress for her performance. Now she is going, she has wished her all the best for the competition, and she is going for that competition. Now here we can see that other girls are observing her. Now the jury members are waiting for the performance. They are observing the performance. See, there is another girl who seems to be little jealous. She feels that she may lose if this girl performs well. So what she does is, she spoils her dress. And now this girl, who was practicing since childhood, to be a good dancer, to win the show, she has lost, her hope for a few seconds. But because she is mentally strong, because she is resilient, because she has the ability to convert the impossible into possible, she's danced in the same dress. Though the dress is spoiled, she's not wearing that dress, the spoiled dress, because she cannot wear that now. But in the normal dress, she is performing, and see how beautifully she performs. How beautifully she performs. Wow. Can you all see the beautiful moves that she is making? Wow. Yes, one can see. It is because of the dedication, hard work, perseverance, and I can attitude. See, everybody is observing her and everybody is clapping. People will clap for you. When you will work hard. Always remember, when you will not lose hope, when you will always smile. See, she is feeling happy. She's feeling joyful. Okay, and now she has won, right? Ma'am, we can stop the video. Ma'am, we can stop the video. Yes. Now we will come back to our PPT, where it was written. What was written? Never give up. Never lose your hope. Because the word impossible says, I am possible. Right? So what have you learned? That we should always keep on going. हमें हमेशा चलते रहना है। आपने फेमस लाइन सुनी होगी, अमिताभ बच्चन जी हमेशा बोलते हैं, उनके पिताजी ने लिखी हुई लाइन है, हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी ने लिखी हुई लाइन है, दैट अमिताभ बच्चन ऑलवेज से, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार
नहीं होती है।
हाँ, हार नहीं होती। ओके, गुड। लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट। Come on, what is the next secret? Wow. So this is very important. Huh? Now, what is this secret? This says that we all have beautiful eyes, right? We all have beautiful eyes. But with our eyes, we see, all the things, bad things, good things, right? But we should filter out bad things and we should see only good things. How we will be able to see only good things? When we will have positive attitude in us. Now, what is positive attitude? Let me tell you with the help of an example. Okay? Now, imagine you have participated just like that girl. You also have participated in a competition. But unfortunately, you did not win in that competition. What will happen because of that? You may feel bad. कि अरे मैं तो जीता ही नहीं, मैं तो जीती ही नहीं. तो क्या होगा आपको जब बैड लगेगा? आप क्या करोगे?
Ma'am, we will think positive things that we can retry.
If you are resilient, you will think positively that even if you have lost the competition, next time you will go with lot of energy, with lot of, yes Pranav, you are correct, with lot of zeal, and you will participate again, because though you have failed in that attempt, remember, fail is first attempt in learning. What is the definition of fail? First attempt
in learning.
Yes, first attempt in learning. So you will continue your practice, and next time again you will participate. Now what, even if next time you imagine कि आपने participate next time भी किया, but आप next time भी जीत नहीं पाए, again you will not lose hope. Again you will practice and again you will put your 100%. ठीक है? Okay, so remember this secret, that you should always have positive attitude. Now, this is a beautiful secret that we all need to know. Okay, now this secret says कि हमें कभी भी किसी भी चीज से डरना नहीं है. We should never ever be scared of anything. We should always feel that, I can attitude. कि हम, when I was small, I had a stage fear. मुझे लगता था अगर माइक सामने है तो मैं सब भूल जाऊंगी. But today I can speak for hours. Why? Because I, somewhere by, following my role models, I also learned that we should never ever be scared of anything. We should always be confident, and we should always have the ability to convert impossible into possible. Now there is a person whose image we can see on the screen. So who is he? He is Divyanshu Ganatra. Now who is this Divyanshu Ganatra? Do you want to listen to his story in short?
Yes, ma'am, I have listened his name somewhere, but I don't remember.
Okay, if you are using Colgate brand, then let me tell you, he is a brand ambassador of Colgate. And Colgate says the message that you should always smile. Why? Because Colgate says that when you smile, it is the solution to all the problems. Now, let me tell you his story. Now, Divyanshu Ganatra, like each one of us, हमारे जैसा एक normal human being था. Now, when I say normal human being, I am trying to say that he was blessed with all the organs. Okay, उनको आंखें थी, कान थे, he could hear, he could, see the things, he could walk, everything he could do. But then one night, what happened? Due to some medical reasons, when he got up in the morning, when he was around 19 years of age, he realized that he has lost his eyesight. Suddenly, he became, मतलब उनकी विजन चली गई थी. He lost his vision to see. उनको कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था. Now imagine if something happens like this with us, we will feel so scared that the world will become scary for us. Why? Because if imagine आप आंखें बंद करो, आपको कुछ भी जब नजर नहीं आता, you feel scared, ना?
Ma'am, it
Even
happened to me for some few time. I got much scared. I was beating my mother in night.
okay, but in the situation of Divyanshu, he lost his ability to see for lifetime. For lifetime. Today also he cannot see. But do you know, there were many people around him who told him, now you take rest. Don't ride a bicycle. Don't try to go out alone. Don't try to play any sports. Don't do any kind of adventure. But you know what Divyanshu Ganatra said? Listen to me very carefully. उन्होंने कहा, दृष्टि गई तो क्या हुआ, दृष्टिकोण तो है. आंखें गई तो क्या हुआ, सपने देखने तो बनता है. So though he lost his vision to see, he gave people an example that we should always dream. Do you all dream?
Yes, ma'am.
So just like you all, he also spread the same message to the people that you should always dream and you should work hard to achieve those dreams. आपको पता है वो इतने special क्यों है? Why his image is there in the PPT? Why we call him resilient? Because he is world's first solo blind paraglider. He is the first person who could not without eyes. He is visually impaired. So with the ability to see, he could ride the paraglider alone. It is so difficult even with both the eyes, but he could do it. And that is the reason why he is called as a resilient person. A lot of videos are available of him. You can further, watch videos related to him. He is a very inspiring personality. Okay, with this, we move to the next slide with the next secret. Let us see what is the next secret. What is the next secret that ma'am is going to share with us? Yes. Now, this is very, very important secret, and it is positive relationship. You all have friends. You all have family. In fact, you all are blessed that you all have families. You all have parents, grandparents, siblings, lot of relatives. Okay. You have lot of friends. You have very nice, good teachers, cooperative teachers. You all are also blessed because you have a beautiful school, right? Now, my dear friends, what is important that even if you are blessed with friends, teachers, you should be thankful to them. You should be saying to them that you love them. Last time, when did you say to your parents that you love them? आपके मम्मा को, पापा को?
Ma'am, when I was, ma'am, yesterday.
Yesterday. And what about others? Swapnali, आपने कब बोला था आपके मम्मी पापा को that you love your mama, you love your papa?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday.
Oh, so sweet. सबने yesterday बोला था तो today नहीं बोला. Okay. Remember that you should always be thankful to your friends and to your family and to your teachers and to the school. Why? Because today you are safe. Today you are secure because of them. They take care of you whenever you are in trouble, right? Okay. So remember, you should respect the relationship. आपको हमेशा relationships को respect करना है. And the next secret is also very, it is very closely related to the relationship that you have with your own self. So in the next slide, you can see that whenever you get up in the morning, the first thing you should do, as I told you, you should go in front of mirror. In my room, can you all see my room? So there is a big mirror in my room. in that mirror, I get up and I say to myself every day, I am the best. I can do whatever I decide. I have the ability to convert the impossible into possible because I am the best. So can you all say this now with me? And from today, you can say this every time in the morning when you get up. Okay, come on, everybody will unmute their mics for a few seconds and you all will say with me. Why? I am the best.
I am the best.
See my
I
hand.
am the best. I am the best.
I am the best.
Yeah, you should feel pride. You know, you should feel pride when you say, I am the best. Hey, I am the best. And you should have a smile on your face when you say this. Okay? Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
For how many days you will do this? For how many days you will do this?
21 days.
Very good. Why you will do it for 21 days? Because
It
once you
will
are
become your habit.
it will become your habit. Very good. Now, while we will go to the next slide. Now, my dear friends, when I told you that you should love your relationships, means you should love your parents, you should love your friends, you should love your teachers. I wanted to tell you that you have to be thankful to them. Whenever your mama gives you a glass of milk, your papa gives you breakfast, sometimes, not always. Okay. Whenever your mama takes your studies, whenever your teacher teaches you, every time, whenever your school organizes some competition for you, you should always say, thank you, mama, thank you, papa, thank you, dear friend, thank you, teachers. Why? Because they are doing so much for you. See, even in this pandemic situation, your teachers go to school. Your teachers are taking efforts to make you enjoy learning, right? So every time, whenever they are doing something nice for you, you should always say,
Thank you.
ah,
Thank you.
yes, because thank you is a golden word, right? It gives you superpower. Okay? Thank you is a golden word which gives you superpower. So what are the golden words? Thank you, sorry,
Happy,
and
happiness.
please. Okay? So these are the words you can use every time. But thank you is very important. Okay. So now I have already told you story of Amitabh Bachchan. But I have not told you story of Sudha Chandran. So I will tell you the story of Sudha Chandran. Okay? So there was a small girl. Her name was Sudha. She was fond of dancing. उसको डांस करना बहुत 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 पसंद था. And she was a trained classical dancer. She was trained in Bharatnatyam. So, she was very famous. Now, because she was very famous, she used to participate in lot of shows. She used to perform on big stages. One day, after she finished her performance, she was traveling from the show to her hometown in her car. But unfortunately, she met with an accident. Now, when she met with an accident, the accident was so strong that she was shattered. And unfortunately, this girl lost her leg. Now, imagine someone who is so fond of dancing, loses a leg. What will happen? The person may feel, may go in depression. But I told you, this girl was strong mentally. She was strong mentally. She was resilient. And she thought, I can do it if I decide. And she decided that I can dance. So, you know what happened after that? This little girl who was Sudha, was assisted and she was replaced with an artificial leg. And with the artificial ampute leg, she could perform dance again. After many years of practice, she could dance again. Do you also know that she is the first Indian actress who performed in her own life story a movie, and the name of the movie is Nache Mayuri. Isn't the story inspiring? Is it?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
inspiring?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Let us go to the
Yes, ma'am.
next slide.
It's
Very
going
good.
into our heart and
Yes,
brain.
ma'am.
Yes, let us go to the next slide. Because I have told you Amitabh Bachchan's story before, we will directly go to slide number 16. And here we come to the end of the slide. Slide number 16, ma'am. Yes, my dear friends, remember whatever secrets I told you today, if you will practice those secrets, you all will become strong. You all will become
Resilient.
really strong. You all will become resilient. What is resilience?
Physically strong.
What is resilience? Converting the impossible into I am possible. Converting the I cannot into I can. And what are the secrets for that?
I can do
You should always
happiness.
Smile.
You should always
Smile.
smile. Very good. What is the other secret? You should
Smile.
never
To
give
say
up.
thank you.
You should
You
keep
should
on
never-
moving.
You can give up.
Very good. And after
Ma'am,
that,
to say thank you to them who is helping us.
yes. And you should have positive attitude, right? You should never ever be scared of anything. Okay? And you should have positive relationship. You should be thankful to your parents, to everybody, around you. Okay? And you should say to yourself every day,
I am the best.
I am
The best.
very good. You
I
should say
am
to
the
yourself
best.
every day, I
I
am
am
the
the
best.
best. I am the best.
What will very good. What will happen because of that? You all will become
Ma'am, we will get
resilient.
inspired.
Very
and,
good.
we
And
will
you
be
all
happy.
will become the best version of yourself. Enjoy the secrets. Do you feel
Yes,
superpower in you?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
feel that
Yes,
magical superpower in you?
Ma'am, 75%.
And when you will do it every day, you will see it is there 100%. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. Lovely students. Lovely.
Okay. A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay, I can feel your energy that it got too much increasing right now. On behalf of Global International School and Junior College, I, Ms. Chandrakala Gaur, would like to take honor of to present vote of thanks. On behalf of Global International School, I would like to thanks to Dr. Preeti Sonar ma'am for presenting such an excellent session, and we can say it as a resilience webinar for all the students. It's definitely going to help to many of the students to grow in their life and to make their life easy and better. I would also like to thank our chairman, Mr. Ken Kendre sir, and our director, ma'am, Mrs. Vinci Varghese, to give opportunity us to arrange such an wonderful webinar for all the students. Last but not the least, I would also like to thanks to all my dear teaching staff and also to my dear students to hear such an amazing session with patiently. Thank you all my dear students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome,
Thank
ma'am.
you once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, lovely children. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye. Keep practicing the
Have a nice
magical
day, ma'am.
power. Keep
Thank you, ma'am.
practicing.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, bye. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Have
ma'am.
a nice day, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, Soham. Bye, Pranav.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Neil.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Arnav.